Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a lace front wig from this company, LuvMe here. And this wig is going to be a glueless wig. In the package, I got this stocking cap, this little pouch with some other goodies in there, including this brush right here, and also this head scarf or edge scarf, and this is a mirror. And here we go. This is the hair that I got in the box. This is their poppin' and classic afro curly glueless wig, and it comes with a 5x5 lace closure. The knots are pre-bleached for your convenience, and the ear lines are already plucked. It also comes with a very durable adjustable strap on the inside and some clips that's gonna help you to secure it onto your head. I'm gonna go right on ahead and put it on so we see exactly what we're working with here. So my wig is already parted on the side, but since it's a 5x5 lace closure wig, you could switch the parting up. You could put it in the middle or on the other side, or do it however you like. I'm gonna keep my parting on the side because I'm really feeling the side part today. So the lace that's on the front of it, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off and put the wig back on. So now I cut the lace off of it and put it back on, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just adjust it a little bit to my liking and see how I actually want it on my head. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray some water, oil, and leave-in conditioner. That's what I have in the spray bottle. You guys ask me all the time, so this is what I'm gonna go ahead and spray on it to get it nice and moist, to my liking. Loosen up the curls a little bit. And this is my Pantene Hydrating Buttercream that I like to use on my wigs, especially the curly ones, so much. This is like the perfect thing to use on my curls to make it even more moisturized and make them curls look very juicy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and trim some of the hair off in the front just to make it frame my face a little bit. I want it to look a little bit more natural, if you know what I mean. So this is what I'm doing for that reason. And this is the final thing I'm gonna be doing to this wig. It was just so easy putting it on and customizing it the way I wanted. There was really not much to it, not much to do to it. Like, this is beginners friendly. Anybody could do this. As you can see for yourself, it really wasn't much to it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is it, guys. Now that the hair is dry, you can see that it looks much fuller now, and this is exactly the kind of look I was going for. Also, the curls are still moisturized and juicy even though the hair is completely dry. And yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for. It looks beautiful. I mean, it really doesn't get any easier than this, and for the second time putting it on, it's gonna be even easier because you don't have to cut no lace off of it. You probably don't have to part it again if you like the parting that you start with. So it is gonna be like super easy to take it off and put it back on. Here I'm showing you guys that it's completely glueless. My comb could go right under the lace. It's not glued down, not gelled down, anything like that. It's completely glueless. So yeah, all I have to do is take it off and put it right back on when I'm ready to wear it again. All the hair details will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and also remember to use my code when you shop their website. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.